Imagine you spent 10 or even 12 years in the gym and still your body feels weak, your muscles recover slowly, and every workout leaves you tired for days. You start to think, maybe this is just age, maybe there's nothing I can do now. You watch younger people recover fast, build muscle quickly, and you feel like your body is always one step behind, no matter how hard you try. But what if the real problem is not your effort, not your age, and not your willpower? What if your muscles are just missing the right kind of fuel to repair themselves properly overnight? Many seniors train hard or stay active, but their muscles simply don't get what they need to recover, so they keep losing strength even while trying their best. The body does not stop working after a workout. It keeps repairing, rebuilding, and restoring while you rest. If that repair process is weak, you wake up tired, stiff, and unmotivated. Let's get started and see how this $1 secret can help you build the powerful muscle and strength that even 12 years in the gym couldn't give you. Number 1. L-Glutamine. L-Glutamine is an amino acid, which you can think of as a small building block that helps your muscles repair after stress. Instead of calling it a magic cure, you can see it as clean fuel that supports your body when your muscles are tired and slightly damaged from daily activity or light exercise. When you walk, climb stairs, lift light weights, or even carry groceries, your muscles experience tiny levels of stress. For younger people, the body usually recovers faster on its own, but as you get older, that natural recovery can slow down. L-glutamine helps support the recovery process so that your muscles don't break down as quickly, especially with age. For seniors, this can mean feeling less worn out after a normal day or a gentle workout. It may help you maintain muscle mass when combined with enough protein, regular movement, and good sleep. Some people also find that when the recovery feels better, they are more confident to stay active instead of avoiding movement out of fear of soreness. L-glutamine can support the body in rebuilding what daily life and age slowly take away. It is not a cure for any disease, and it does not replace medical treatment or a balanced diet, but it can be a helpful tool for supporting muscle health as you age. When used wisely as part of an overall healthy lifestyle, L-glutamine may help you wake up feeling a little less heavy, a little less sore, and a little more ready to move again the next day. Number 2. Collagen powder. If muscles are the engine that moves your body, your joints and connective tissues are like the hinges, cables, and shock absorbers that keep everything stable. Many seniors don't actually stop moving because of weak muscles first. They stop because their knees, hips, or shoulders start to complain before the muscles even get a chance to work. That's where collagen becomes interesting. Collagen is a type of protein that helps form the structure of your joints, tendons, ligaments, and even the tissues that connect your muscles to your bones. You can think of it as a natural support material that helps keep your body from feeling like it is falling apart every time you stand up, walk, or lift something. Instead of focusing only on building bigger muscles, supporting collagen can help the whole system around the muscle feel more comfortable. Collagen powder is simply a convenient way to add more collagen-building support into your routine. It does not act like a painkiller, and it is not a quick fix, but when used regularly as part of a healthy lifestyle, it may help support joint comfort and mobility over time. Some people like to mix it into water, smoothies, or even their morning tea or coffee because it usually has little to no taste. As we age, the body's natural collagen production tends to slow down, and that can show up as stiff joints, slower recovery from daily movement, and a feeling that your body is creaky even when you have not done anything extreme. Giving your body the raw material it needs may help it maintain healthier tissues that are involved in movement. For seniors who still want to lift light weights, play with grandchildren, do gardening, or simply walk without worrying about every step, supporting collagen can be an important part of the picture. When joints and connective tissues feel more supported, it becomes easier to stay active, and staying active is one of the most important things for long-term health and strength. Collagen powder is not a replacement for medical treatment, joint surgery, or professional advice, and it should not be seen as a miracle solution, but as a daily habit combined with balanced nutrition, enough protein, gentle strength training, and rest. It may help promote joint health, support flexibility, and make movement feel a bit more natural and confident as the years go by. When you look at these three simple powders together, L-Glutamine, collagen, and creatine monohydrate, you start to see a clear picture. This is not about chasing a miracle or replacing years in the gym. It's about giving your aging body basic support so it can keep moving with more strength and confidence. L-Glutamine helps your muscles with recovery, so everyday efforts don't leave you feeling completely drained. Collagen helps the glue of your body, your joints and connective tissues, feel more supported, so movement doesn't always feel like a battle against stiffness. Creatine helps your muscles store quick energy, so standing up, climbing stairs, and lifting things feels more controlled instead of shaky and tiring. Each one has its own role, and together, when paired with healthy habits, they can support a more active life as you age. Imagine starting your day knowing that your body has better tools to handle simple but important tasks. Getting out of bed, walking to the kitchen, carrying a bag, or playing with your grandchildren can all start to feel a little more secure. These changes are not dramatic overnight, but over time they can add up to something very real: more independence, more freedom, and more trust in your own body. For seniors, that quiet confidence is far more valuable than any instant promise. These powders do not make you superhuman, but they can help you feel like yourself again, more stable, more active, and more in control of your movements. If you decide to use any of them, remember they work best as part of a bigger picture: balanced nutrition, enough protein, regular age-appropriate movement, and good sleep. Never copy someone else's dose or routine, and never treat supplements as a replacement for medical care. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. If you found this helpful and want more simple senior-friendly tips to support your strength, joints, and energy, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.